if you would like to get credit for completing a Scratch project, then you must be able to share your Scratch project with me. So I'm going to give you some hints and tips on how to make that happen. First of all, you have to be signed in order to save your Scratch project. So let's go ahead and sign in. That's what I'm going to do. And once you sign in, you want to go to look at your Scratch projects. And one way you can do that is click where your name is up here and then go look at My Stuff. And let's say we go ahead and open up a one of the things. Let's go ahead and try, I'm going to try this maze game here. And there it is. This is something that I worked on. It says this project is not shared, so only you can see it. Aha, interesting. Okay, so right just by going to My Stuff and going to the project of interest, I can immediately see that this thing is not shared, and if I'd like to, I can hit share. Now, let's say that you don't see this alert with the share button. I believe there are other ways that we can do this. Let's say you're inside and you're just editing your project, and you got all this stuff going on. Let's take a look and see what our options are. For one thing, first of all, always make sure that you're saving your project. And one way you can do that is by giving it a name over here. And usually, if you make some change like here, there will be a Save Now button that appears over there, and definitely hit Save Now. The other thing you can do is you can go to File, and then you can do Save Now there, or Save as a Copy, or Save to your computer. Let's see here, but we want to be able to share. So let me see what the other options are. I see a share button here. I guess maybe that's the best way. Now there is a C project page, but I think I think I have to get back here in a second. So I'm going to try the C project page. Yep, and sure enough, I get back here. So let's go back to C inside, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit the share button. Now, when I go to hit the share button, it says you're about to share your project with this thumbnail. And maybe who cares about what the thumbnail is? I just want you to share the project. And by the way, when you email me the link to the shared project, it would be nice for you to tell me what it is I'm about to look at. Now, project thumbnails act like the front cover of your project. Are you sure you want to proceed with this thumbnail? Sure, I don't care. I'm going to go ahead and say proceed with share. And then I think there's a little bit more to it than that. So over here, I guess I get the opportunity to tell people, here we could write some instructions on what I'm supposed to do. And I would love it if you could write the instructions for me so I know how to test your code. And then you can put whatever notes you want to over here, including giving yourself credit for doing the project. And then finally down here we get a copy link. So now that my project is shared, you can see up here, now I can click on copy link. And when we do, for some reason or another, you got to click on copy link again. And now this link that gets copied, you should then email that to me. And let me help you with what my email address is. Well, actually, I'm gonna maybe I'll type it up here. I'm not going to change the name of my project, but you're going to send your project to mweingarten@conejousd.org. You could send it through Canvas as well. That's another way. Canvas has that inbox where you can send messages. And again, you'll begin typing MW, and hopefully you can figure out the whole email address. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and change the project name back again. You can always rewind and hit pause. I think that's mostly it. I am curious. I'm going to show you another way to share just in case. Oh, you know what else I'd like to see? I'd like to see what happens when I look at that shared link. Hold on one second. Okay, I just opened up a guest browser, and I'm going to go ahead and type into the address bar the link that I just copied. And let's go ahead and hit enter. So this is just a guest profile, and this is what any stranger would see that you share that link with. And then I should then be able to either run the project here or see inside. So I'm hopeful that this process will work for you. Let me double check one other thing. let's see here. I would also like to see what happens if we go to, let's go to See Inside. And no, I want to go to See Project Page. So let's say that you go into your My Stuff and you find your project. We'll do a different one. We'll do Rainbow Lines. And see, this one has not been shared yet. So let's try going about it this way and see what happens. So here I'm going to go ahead and hit share. And then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to say proceed with share. And when I do, again, I get this option called copy link, and I'll hit copy link, and then I'll copy link again, and that is the link that you should email to me. Now, I know that there is at least one more step, and I don't know how to show it to you. I believe there's a step where after you choose you want to share, I think it comes up and it says that you must provide a parent's email or something like that. You need to do it. If you're not sure how to do it, let me know and I will help you. Let me see if there's anything else before I leave. Okay, I went looking through the menus and account settings, and I was trying to see if there was any way where I could show you the place where you have to set the parent's email, and I don't see it. So if you run into that, please let me know. And in the meantime, hopefully now you understand how you can go about sharing a project. Let me try one more time before I leave. We'll do this. Oh, this is the one that, this one I have not shared. Oh, yeah, this one I did share. Oh, interesting. I had shared this earlier on my own before this video. I'm trying to think. So anyways, let's go one more time. My Stuff. And we'll do, what have I not shared? Let's look at unshared projects. Oh, I have a lot of them. Let's go Lines, Skeleton. And we will hit the share button. We will proceed with share. We will copy link. We will copy link the second time. And then we will email that link to me. And again, to make it easy on you, mweingarten@conejousd.org. Please make sure you spell that correctly. You'll notice that is not the same as learn.conejousd.net. That used to be an address that teachers used, but now we just use conejousd.org. Thank you, guys. Oh, and be real careful about the spelling of my name. It's not the easiest name in the world to spell, so take a look and write it down and make sure you get the spelling right. Thank you very much.